Ugh, this is gonna be awesome for Flashback Friday.
Hey guys, welcome back to DIY in 5. I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and in today's episode, we're going to show you a couple of options to archive those old printed photos using your Android phone. Don't worry, for all the apps we discuss, we'll add links in the description below. And if these apps help you out, be sure to subscribe to see all of our upcoming tips and tricks. First things first, no matter which app you use, you're still using a phone camera. There's a few things you can do to make sure your photos turn out better on any app. Make sure to use a solid color background to help the app identify your photo. If you set your photos on a surface that's too busy, the app might not crop your photos as well. Try to use bright and even lighting. If you use harsh direct light, your photos might end up with a pretty gnarly glare. If there's a niche, Google probably makes an app for it. And in this case, they do. Google has created an app called PhotoScan, particularly for photo archiving. If you're already into Google Photos online backup, you're going to love this one. It's unique in that you take multiple pictures of each photo to get a nice, even image that's great for archiving. Of course, it takes a bit longer to use than other apps because of the multiple pictures, so if you want to back up tons of photos, keep that in mind. If one-button archiving is more your thing, Heirloom might be the right app for you. The automatic cropping and built-in filters to the app are also pretty boss. If you're a fan of Instagram filters, this might be for you. When it comes to sharing photos, Heirloom has its own online service that people can subscribe to, but it will cost you. The big drawback to this app overall is the clunky user interface. It defaults to looking at photos you've already taken rather than shooting new ones. If you want to save your photos to the phone's camera roll, that's a couple of extra steps. The last app we'll mention here is Shoebox by Ancestry.com. If you have an Ancestry membership, this might be the path for you. It's got a one-button photo-taking feature that lets you tag family members and add notes like the year and location of the photo. For any genealogy buffs out there, this is actually a pretty nifty feature. If you just want to click and have the photo saved to your camera roll, Shoebox does that too. Have you archived any old photos? If so, how did you do it? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to see how to free up storage on your Android so you can take more pictures, check out this video here. Thanks so much for watching DIY in 5. Bye-bye.